Because Kuwait and Dubai are just 1 hour flight, or a little bit more. And the suffering at Kuwait and Dubai is similar. A lot of things that happen here, because we say we get company here, Dubai, Al Masafi, where most of the time I can here, and I see the problem the way we are facing. We see them more. You see when they can here overstay, when they can here, they get signed up for sleep, food for eat, and they bake. So Kuwait's back, we get similar problem there. We are not a visa problem. We are sexual harassment. They misuse our sister them, they maltreat them, and they run away with police and they harass them. The life really miserable. So I don't pay close attention to the Dubai election for say anybody, if be Augustus, Alusain or Alim, anyone will win, I'm ready for work with them. Follow bridge the gap. We try to unite the two Gulf countries in terms of social activities, like football, or try to see how we organize things. The people want to say, when they talk about independent advocacy, how we able to come to human and follow, we able to mix, we share idea, we relieve some of the stress. So I really feel disappointed where I can't meet, we're not able to conduct myself, follow, we're not able to get peaceful, free and fair election. But I just want to guide you now, the process what we go through, follow, we get elections. And if we follow that process, I believe it will help a lot. Elections, no one know the, you understand it? And when they say, hey, Dubai election, you know, big. Why people then they do so, why people then they do that? But at the time when I say small election, no day. This, when I really try, when I really need for try for come to one, the three aspirant them and follow all due process. Let us not left out. You might not know. Say that decision they will take against you, but at the end of the day, it will be for you. So now it make even the constitution when I say when I review. The process how we take for review your constitution, that appoints 14 people there. 4 from the embassy, 4 from the aspirant that will stand, and 4 from the outgoing executive, and 2 from the Supreme Council of Elders. Now 14 members that were there for review that constitution. When they review the constitution though, they take them back to we the 4 aspirants, because we not be there for give input, even though we say representative. They take them to we, they say this thing I will don't make now for una. Una can't sit down with we, that with the Supreme Council of Elders now. Where them, money they buy them, now big people in that country there, so they are doctors them, where they can go foolish to them. So we sit down with them and say, what's it we don't want at this constitution? We not tell me so that we go pull out or maybe we go see what we go do. So with the 4 aspirants we sit down. First of all, the money where they put, where they say we for pay, for register, because it's too much people, we never afford that. So we talk to the council of elders, say, well that money they let them bring account down small. They pull about 20% of them. Then they go back and talk, say for vote for all the positions. Then they back to click against us. They go there for that decision. So many changes then they will do at the end of the day. Now in them bind that constitution, now we use to conduct the elections. Because we all agree unanimously for let them use them. So, and I don't see and say, I don't get a similar challenges them. But me the big una the aspirant them. Una come together, let embassy come inside this, not to come inside for can interfere into the process. Make them monitor and supervise una. Follow una together fair environment where everybody will exercise in franchise and promote, not to for interfere actually. So when I try to come together with the blessing of the embassy, let una do things that make this election come to pass. If we keep this election prolonged, we they suffer more. We they suffer more. Not so only the money they go, we they suffer more because the burden is the rest on una. Right now, this election, I know they are. But because of election not cancelled, some man would even count problem to you when not necessary. Just for maybe add burden on you because he sees you want something and not saying that for the good of all. You see, and we wait here that the union, the embassy not get right for police station. The embassy not get right for around the houses. Yeah, but the union get the power from the police station. If the union gets a membership card where it authenticates by the embassy and where the government approve. So that the work of the union. So for all the only water that are sales there, that the union get that right from put it, they investigate. Probably maybe they don't pull it, possibly maybe they don't pull it. They don't pull it, they can call the embassy to come back up to help that person. So this union is very, very important. And we really want, all work together, share ideas together. So when I don't come to this, so I will hope for say one person will emerge as the winner, so that I will congratulate that person and take the message out there to the world and say, Dubai and Kuwait, we are ready to work together and able for help brother and sister the way they suffer now. But we are not relent, we are keep the peace. May nobody not use any bad, the kind of leader don't say we are not going to cause, we are behave as a gentleman, we are make sure say we are represent Sierra Leone here, we are keep the blue, white and blue flag high, make them know we are responsible people. But still, we are keep the faith and keep the peace. Let we work towards the process. Maybe by God's grace, Mr. will join on our team. If we go any further arrangement with the embassy and the ambassador will there among us, we'll all see how we will address all the problems and get fair election. We will represent the will of the people in Dubai. Yeah? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Some have got tinap because we tinap. You get? Okay. I tell you.
Tu as une idée?
C'est ça, quoi. Allez, non. Like this. How they get that for this?
Let's go to Moscow.
On va aller continuer encore du soir.
Ça, il m'a laissé.
Pas aller notre.